What's up guys, this is Sunny and today I went and picked up a Buffalo LinkStation 220 for myself, and this thing was on sale for $74.99, so I had to pick up one for myself. So basically with Buffalo LinkStation 220 you can have your own personal cloud storage slash NAS. So what is NAS? NAS is basically network attached storage. So you can have your own little file server. Now when I say file server, don't get freaked out and start thinking like, whoa, file server mean like the big companies with bunch of server. No. With NAS, if you have a little business and you want to save your data and stuff, and also you want to share with your employees, your co-workers, whatever you want to do, you can have a little NAS in your office. And what you can do, you can create group, you can create users, you can create different folders, like public folder everyone can share or save the data. And also uh, you can create like a folder for the users, so you can create folder for different user and give them different password, different rights. So you don't really need a huge server if you have like maybe 10 people, and same time 10 people trying to access the same folder. A NAS will just do perfectly fine. You don't have to worry. Only reason I picked up a NAS for myself, a network attached storage device for myself. Every time I'm outside, wherever I'm at, and I want to work with any of my folders or anything, even doing a video editing and stuff. Well, personally, I have to carry my storage device with me, and I really don't like carrying my like storage device with me wherever I'm going. If I want to go outside, I just want to take my laptop, and I like everything in network and everything set up in my network and stuff. So with Buffalo LinkStation 220 or any other NAS device from Western Digital, Seagate, or any other companies, if you buy one, what you could do, you can set up your NAS with your network, or you can port forward and set up so you can access your files and folders from outside your network. So if you're in work, you can get into your home NAS setup and you can access your file folders. And if you have a NAS in work, you set it up, you can access from your home. Now you can do that by a simple thing called port forwarding. If you know what port forwarding means, you can Google search and you can see different router have different setup. But with the NAS drive, what you could do basically, when you go to the web access, and you could just turn on the web access, and from there you can take the IP from there. Either you can set up a DHCP IP. DHCP, basically it's not a static IP, so it will change. What you want to do, you want to set up a static IP for yourself if you are planning to access your NAS drive from outside your network. And one more thing, I picked up two red Western Digital hard drive, the NAS drive. I didn't go for any other hard drive like Western Digital blue or the green or the black. I went for the red one because the red one was meant for a NAS. So anytime anything happened to your data, and if you raid your two hard drive, raid 1, basically raid 1 is basically mirror. So anytime, let's say this, you have two hard drive, so you can put both of the hard drive RAID 1 setup. So anytime one hard drive dies, your second hard drive will have exact copy of the first hard drive. So if you are setting up a NAS drive, you want to go with RAID 1. Don't ever go with RAID 0, guys, and save all your data. Basically, RAID 0 will give you better performance, but RAID 0 will use both of the hard drive and you know, both of the hard drive and give you performance, but anytime one of your hard drive dies, your whole data will disappear. So do not go with RAID 0. RAID 0 is really risky. You want to go with RAID 1. You know, you want to mirror both of the hard drive and have risk-free data, you know, backup. So the reason I went and picked up a Buffalo LinkStation 220 and 1 tera, like two 1 terabyte hard drive. Okay, I'm planning to build a free NAS for myself and set up like 5 hard drive in RAID, and that's later on. But for now, I just want to access my file whenever I'm out in the road, out of country, wherever I'm at. I can just easily pull out my laptop. As long as I have the internet, I can access all my file. I can edit all my video. I can do whatever I want. I can watch my movies. I can listen to my, you know, music. I can do anything I want. So if you guys are planning to save your data like in Dropbox and stuff, guys, I do not trust Dropbox or anything that you pay for monthly subscription. And I personally don't like it because anyone can hack that. And your own cloud, your own NAS setup, you can set up your security and you can make it as safe you can, other than getting a Dropbox or any other box or any other cloud. So I just don't want to deal with anything that will risk my data or someone will hack and steal my data. So I personally think you guys should definitely buy your own personal NAS setup and just, you know, build a little file, you know, file server. Okay, when people say file server, like I said, don't worry about file server, you know, being like huge server and all that. You can get a little uh, personal cloud storage as long as that thing comes with like an Ethernet cable in the back, and you can easily, you know, set up your personal cloud, you know, file server, whatever you guys want to do. And if you ever buy a hard drive for your NAS drive, go with Western Digital Red. I really recommend. I did use this hard drive back before, and I really like it, and they're really reliable. That's the reason I, you know, buy Western Digital Red again and again. If you guys have any question, leave in the comment below. I'll be more than help you. Peace, guys.